Microsoft Intune for enterprise mobility. Microsoft Intune is a cloud service. It lets organizations manage their devices and apps from a single platform. It works perfectly with other Microsoft services, like Azure and Microsoft 365. It provides a complete solution for managing enterprise mobility. Enhancing device management with Intune. With Microsoft Intune, organizations can manage many devices, including Windows, Android, and iOS. It lets them easily configure policies and settings. Admins can use security measures to protect company data. These include data encryption and access control. Intune simplifies device management. It is a central portal to monitor and enforce compliance on the corporate network. Securing data and applications. A key benefit of Microsoft Intune is its focus on data protection and app management. Organizations can sync their data across devices. This ensures employees can access the latest info, no matter where they are. Strong authentication and permissions can restrict access to sensitive data and apps. Only authorized users can access them. Companies should use them. This enhances security. Simplifying deployment and administration. Intune has a user-friendly interface. It makes it easy to deploy devices, manage configurations, and monitor performance. Administrators can quickly set up devices with the needed software and services. There's no need for complex coding or manual configuration. The platform has reporting tools. They track device usage and find issues. They ensure optimal performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Intune for enterprise mobility is a powerful tool. It helps organizations manage devices, improve security, and boost productivity.